You guys are joining me today because you want to know if you can stamp with regular polish. And the short answer is yes, you can stamp with regular polish. And today I'm going to demonstrate for you. This Wet n Wild 99-cent black polish was what I would recommend to a lot of people before who are trying out stamping. This is just called black cream. And so in general, the stamping with regular polish is just not as opaque. So it depends on your design. Also keep in mind, the older the polish, the better, because it gets thicker. But I think in general, if you find a regular polish, 9 times out of 10, it's just not going to be as pigmented. This looks pretty good, but I think what you'll notice when I use the straight up black, it's going to be a lot deeper. So if you're looking for, maybe if you're double stamping 2 designs and you're looking for maybe like a lighter background, maybe regular polish might be something you want to try. And so that's pretty much the difference between stamping polish and regular polish. You know, it's just the thickness and the opacity in order to see, you know, your stamp design.